Alrighty, looks like it is 6:20, so let's get started with our 2019-2020 Panini Court Kings Basketball Random Player 1-box break number 1. Just like in all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got D-Light 3000 in the top spot. And we've got Nudge 9986 1984 in the bottom spot. Blow up this list a little bit so it's a little easier to read. I'm going to cut and paste all of this over to the right and sort by everyone's eBay IDs and names. And then we'll scroll through our list, see who has which players, and then we'll open our box and see what we get. I know there's a few folks that are in this break that are breaking with us for the first time, so if you happen to be on the live feed and have any questions, please put them in the chat and I'll do my best to answer them. All right. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. All the spots were sold, D-Light. There's our pack. And our first card is John Wall. We just went through the list, D-Light, just before I opened the box. If you rewind the video about 2 minutes, the live feed, you'll see your name as we scroll through the alphabetical list. It was alphabetical by eBay ID and name, and you'll be able to see your name and the players that you have in the break. And if you rewind about 5 minutes, you'll be able to see the randomization and everything. Next up is Andre Drummond. Our next card is a level 1 PJ Washington Jr. rookie. Really? Give me just a second. Well, all right. Let me check on that real quick. I apologize. We'll go back through the list if it did. Okay, well, let's scroll back then. Give me just a second to get the list back up. Okay. Give me just a second, and I'll get that screen back up, and we'll make sure that everybody can see it. So I've got the screen back up. Let me know when you all have it, okay? I'm going to pop it open on my phone just to... So I'm looking at my phone, and I'm seeing that we can... So are you all seeing it? So let's scroll through that again, okay? I apologize about that. I didn't realize it had froze because when I'm going through the list, I've got the list on one monitor and then I've got my streaming software on another one, so I can't physically see the feed through YouTube. So yeah, we'll go through it again. Thanks for letting me know that. Yeah, we'll just go through the list again. This is our last break of the evening, so I'm not concerned with time. And I want you all to know who you have before I start going through everything. So we'll just go through it again. D-Light, your name's here at the mid-screen, so your players will be on this screen and the next once I page down. If it freezes again while I'm going through the list, please put it in the chat, okay? Sorry about that, y'all. I did not know. Is everybody still seeing everything okay? Awesome. Good, good, good. Sorry about that, D-Light. I thought you had got in the feed a few minutes after I'd started, and I thought that's why you're asking that question. I didn't realize everything had froze up and nobody was able to see anything. Alrighty, so are we good? Is everybody saw everything? No issues or anything? Are we good? I'll wait just a second for y'all to respond before I start flipping through cards and whatnot. Looked like it was fine on my phone. Looked like it went through just fine. Okay. So, where we left off, we have Andre Drummond and John Wall base, and we pulled a level 1 PJ Washington Jr. rookie. And then next up, we have a Romeo Langford level 1 rookie. And then our next card is a Jason Tatum Maestro insert. And that is a red foil parallel. And that is serial numbered 31 of 149. Trying to get it to show up where the light isn't just blinding on it. 31 of 149. And our next card is a Thaddeus Young High Court signature autograph. And that is serial numbered 173 of 179. And then our next card is a Luka Samanic rookie autograph. That is from the Heir Apparent set. And that is serial numbered 52 of 149. And then our next card is Tyler Hero from the Apprentice Artist insert. Not serial numbered. And then our next card is a LeBron from the Maestro insert set. I believe it is the base version. Yep, no serial. And then our last card in the box is a level 2 Nicolo Melli rookie. Alrighty, now that we have been through our box, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. Alrighty, we'll start with our base cards first. Our John Wall base goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then our Andre Drummond base goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. Then next we'll go through our rookie cards. Our Romeo Langford level 1 rookie goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then our level 1 PJ Washington Jr. rookie, and that goes to Melissa. Congrats on that, Melissa. And then our level 2 Nicolo Melli rookie goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next are inserts. Our Tyler Hero Apprenticed Artist insert goes to Evan. Congrats on that, Evan. And then our Jason Tatum Maestro Red Parallel, serial numbered to 149. And that goes to Nudge, 9986-1984. Congrats on that. And then our LeBron James Maestro insert. And that goes to Fred. Fred doubling up. Congrats on that. And then our autographs are Thaddeus Young High Court Signature. And that goes to Babe Search. Congrats on that. And then our Lucas Salmonic Heir Apparent Rookie Autograph, serial numbered to 149. And that goes to J. Will 33-55-2. Congratulations on that. All right. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2019-2020 Court Kings Basketball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us on the live feed for the break. I certainly apologize about the screen freezing earlier as we went through the list, but glad you all let me know so we could go back through it before we went through all the cards. And thanks for everybody that joined us this evening. That is our last break of the evening. We'll be back next Saturday. We've got our partial schedule listed there under this week's breaks. We'll be back at our normal start time of 5 p.m. Central. Hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend, and we'll hope to see you next Saturday. Thanks again, everybody.